Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday, and Blue is right here. Let me get this mask started and get it on, and then I'll explain everything to y'all. But I want to get this going. I can't open it, y'all. I have to use a scissor, so I have to be careful. I don't want to cut the mask, and I'll tell you all about it. This mask came to me via Life with Christine. Oh, it smells good. And I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Oh, I have no idea what it was going to look like. And Blue is laying on my towel. And it smells so good. It smells sweet. It doesn't smell like Cheetos. I'll tell you all about this in a minute. I'm sorry. Just Blue got in my way. I have questions. This is a collab, a Mask Monday collab. I know I'm starting later than usual. I usually start early morning. But this is a little bit different today. Our host is Life with Christine, and she saw these masks on maybe Instagram. I don't know where she saw them, but she saw them, and she's like, has anybody ever tried these? And we're like, never heard of them. So she went and found them. I think they were at Hobby Lobby of all places. I didn't know that Hobby Lobby had masks. We have a Hobby Lobby here, but I like to go in there once in a while, but I never look for masks. So Christine picked them up and sent one to me and one to Erlene S and one to Tea Time Adventures. And that's my little Mask Monday gang, the four of us. We've done Mask Monday a few times together, and we're going to do it again. This smells so good. But like I said, thank goodness it doesn't smell like Cheetos. I don't know if I like that on my face. I love Cheetos, though. So it does have Cheetos on it. The crunchy kind. Oh my goodness, y'all. It feels really good. Sometimes the little nose things turns in. Okay, so it says scented face mask. It does say that, but I'm glad it's not scented like Cheetos, like I said. This has some little tears in it on purpose, you know, so that you can fit it well to your skin, which is nice. It feels really, really good. You know, a mask always feels good to me. It always is refreshing. And all right, let me tell you a little bit about the mask, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the about our collab. This is aloe vera face mask, hydrates and glow, citrus scented. Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells very sweet to me, like candy. There it is, Cheetos, and it's those hard crunchy ones. Those are my favorite Cheetos, probably, are those crunchy ones. Thank you so much, Life with Christine. So there was another, maybe Cheetos or something she found also. Anyway, y'all, we thought we'd have fun and do a Mask Monday together, and of course we'll have our mask giveaways. So Erlene S came up with some questions, and they're detailed. So I have them here on my tablets. So let me get started. Oh, all right. I'm so sorry. Life with Christine. Lovely, lovely lady. I have known her a good while, but I've gotten to know her better since she collabed with Erlene S and me. And I'm very happy to get to know her better. She's just a sweetheart. She does beautiful makeup. And she is, I think she is legally blind. Christine, are you legally blind? Or she's close to it. So she has this lamp thing that with magnifier or whatever that she looks through sometimes to read things. So she's very interesting. And I really like her. Been enjoying her channel. And then Tea Time Adventures, I've known her for a long time. I've known Tea before was it before I started my channel or just when I started my channel? Tea has been on Instagram a very long time. And then she started her channel a while back. But she's been a subscriber of mine since I started. And love her too. And we like to do Mask Mondays together. We've done a bunch of them over the years. And then Erlene S is a newer channel, a little baby channel. She's over 100 subscribers, and I've introduced you to her before, but if you're new around here, go check her out. She does Mask Mondays, and she does What's Up Thursdays, and she does other things. She does some unboxings and things like that, and she does a lot of giveaways. She loves to do giveaways, as I do as well. So anyway, this is so refreshing, y'all. Okay, so Erlene came up with a bunch of questions. So let's see. Here are some snack questions. How often do you eat snacks? And now it's every day, several times a week, rarely, or never. Y'all, every day. I'm a snacker. I'm a person that would rather not eat 3 meals in a day. I don't do that. I'm a grazer. So that's what I am, a grazer. I'm a snacker. Oops, these are sort of run together. What is your favorite type of snack? Chips, chocolate, fruit, nuts, popcorn? Yes. Other? It says other. I like savory and I like sweet. I like anything. Y'all, I really do. I know some people are picky. I am not in the least bit picky of a person. There are a few things in the world that I don't like the taste of, but it's a rare occasion for me. I like everything. So I do like, what do I like? I like pretzels. I like nuts. I like gummies, but I can't eat gummies because the dentist gets me. I pull my teeth out. Seriously, I've pulled my teeth out a few times eating gummies. Like, and I don't mean like my regular teeth. I mean like expensive crowns. So I have had to give up gummies. So, but I do like that kind of thing. I like Butterfingers and Reese's and chocolate. I like good old Hershey's chocolate. Just a regular old-fashioned chocolate bar, or even the one with almonds. I like all kinds of stuff. I like, excuse me, I like crackers and cheese. All that. I love snacks. I love to graze. So which of the following snacks have you tried before? Cookies, candy, granola bars, vegetable sticks, salty pretzels, energy bars, and I've tried them all. If it's a food, I've probably tried it all. I've tried everything. Maybe not everything around the whole world, but I've tried a lot of things. I do like some granola bars, and I do like what else? Salty pretzels. I guess pretzels have salt on them, so I'm not sure what that really means. But anyway, where do you usually buy your snacks? Grocery store, convenience store, online, or vending machines, farmer's market, or other? And I guess I usually buy them at the grocery store. We had a vending machine at work, but I hardly ever bought any from there. But they took that out. We had more people. We used to have more people there. So we have less people now, so they took our vending machine out. So it would have crackers and little bags of chips and stuff in there, and I'd get something once in a while, but usually I have my own snacks. It's cheaper to buy your own snacks. Do you pay attention? Let me see if I'm missing anything. Okay. Do you pay attention to nutritional content of a snack before consuming them? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But that doesn't stop me from consuming something if I really want to try it or if I really like it. What's your go-to snack when you're hungry? Oh my. Probably cheese and crackers if I'm really hungry. I also like nuts and maybe some cheese too, and maybe an apple cut up with that. I like that kind of, I've been making charcuterie boards since before there was such a thing. So that's what I like. Would you like more healthy snack options available? Yes, I would. I like the Kind bars. Those are healthy. They're sweet and salty. So they've got both going on. They're good quality nuts and stuff like that. How important is packaging design when choosing a snack? Not really. Very important, somewhat important, not important. Which of the following factors influence your snack choices? Taste, price, brand, nutritional value, packaging, availability. Well, of course, taste for me. Of course, price. If something's super expensive and I really love it, I don't buy it like on the regular. I might buy something as a treat once in a while, but yeah, price. I look for sales. I look for coupons just like most people do. And I do try to, of course, I want it to taste good. If it tastes bad, why buy it? What are your three favorite snack brands and why? Oh my goodness, these are some tough questions. Oh, I don't know. Favorite snack brands. I don't know. I guess Nabisco, because they make crackers that I like. I like Jay's. I like JAY''S. I like that brand of potato chip. That is a Chicago brand. I can't get them here. And sometimes I get them when I go to Chicago. And I guess maybe Hershey's. Let's say Hershey's because it covers a lot of different candy bars, right? let's see. Do you prefer individual snacks, packs, or bulk packaging? I don't know. I guess if I'm gonna have a granola bar, I want individual. I do, if I'm gonna have chips, I want more than that little bag. So I want a big bag so I can take out what I want. That kind of thing. Are you willing to pay a premium for healthier snack options? Yes, I am, and I have. Depends on what it is, of course. Do you have any dietary restrictions that affect your snack choices? No. I'm not vegetarian, I'm not vegan, I'm not gluten-free. I have allergies, but not to food that I know of. I'm not diabetic or anything, so but I do, I try to eat healthier, but I do snack sometimes. I do, yes, I do. Throughout the day, let's see, which time of the day do you usually snack? Probably my biggest, probably the biggest time that I'd like to snack is afternoon, like that time between lunch and dinner, even though I don't really eat dinner. So most of the time my dinner is a snack. Like I said, cheese and crackers or something. Do you prefer hot or cold snacks? Probably just cold snacks are fine. And it depends on, it says depends on the weather, hot or cold. Nah, if I want ice cream, I'll eat it any time of the year. What's the weirdest snack combination you've ever tried? Oh, boy, Erlene really got some good questions. The weirdest snack, I don't know that I've ever tried. I've tried some weird stuff, y'all, because I like to try things. So one of my favorite things that I didn't think I would like, now this goes back a few years, it's all I can think of at the moment. A friend of mine made, they grilled out and they took jalapeno peppers and stuffed them. You stuff them with cream cheese, you stuff them with cheddar cheese, and you wrap them with bacon and then grill them. And I'm not even sure that's that might not be it. There might be more to it than that. But I'm like, nah, I don't like jalapenos. But I didn't know that I didn't like jalapenos because I thought I didn't like jalapenos, but I do. So that is phenomenal. That combination of the bacon and the jalapeno, and I never liked bacon as a kid, but I love it as an adult. I don't have it in my house because I'd eat too much of it. So I only get it when I'm out. So if someone makes me something like that, those jalapeno poppers, they call them now, they're really good. They have them now in the store where you can, I guess, and you deep fry them or whatever. They're breaded, but that's not how my friend made them. He grilled them, and it was just that cream cheese, the jalapeno, oh, it was so good. But I don't know, that's a strange combination. At the time it was something new and different. I'm talking years ago. Let's see, okay. Oh goodness. Are you likely, all right, something is weird about this question. Are you likely to try a new snack product based on a recommendation? Yes, definitely. I definitely try new things if people tell me to try it. I like to try things. And there was more to this. There was more to this. How do I get to it? This is taking too long, y'all. I'm sorry. Please go see my friends. And then I do have a giveaway. Do you snack more when you are stressed or bored? Yes, which is all the time. No, I'm not bored. I must say, I gotta tell y'all something. I'm never bored. But when I'm stressed, well, I don't know that no, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Do I snack more? No, I snack all the time. Okay, I snack a lot, whether I'm stressed or not. What is one snack you would never eat and why? I don't have a situation like that. That's a snack that I would never eat. I don't like, there's hardly anything I don't like. I was going to say, I don't like anchovies if I see them, but my aunt married an Italian man. This goes way back again. And she makes things, she's passed away, but she would make things with anchovies. And it makes it, the Italian food, it makes it so fabulous. But if I see it, it looks like a centipede. I'm not eating something on a pizza that looks like a centipede. So that's it. But if they're in an ingredient, if I don't see them, it adds flavor. It's delish. Okay. All right. So yeah, I like everything. I do. I like to taste everything. I like to try everything. So I have 4 masks to give away. So I don't know what to say. Say if you would like to be entered in this giveaway, just say you're interested in the masks. Say masks, okay? So I have a Face Story mask, Everyday Olive Squalane. That's the only thing I have. I don't really have anything with words, I mean with food on it. So Olive Squalane. This is a fabulous mask, great for dry skin. Great, great, great. And then I have this from my my Goldie Box. This is the Nature brand 15-minute tea tree soothing mask. These masks are wonderful. I've already done one. I think last Mask Monday I did that. I did one of those. This is Tony Moly I'm Lemon, another food. This is a brightening mask. Tony Moly masks are fabulous. They're thin, they're nice, they're lovely. When I did do this mask a week or so ago, it wasn't the tea tree one, but wonderful mask. And then I have something a little different. I have this lovely steam mask. This is not for your skin on your face. This is for your eyes. This is a little teddy bear, can you see, with a heart? When you open this package, the mask will start to get warm. You put this over your eyes to take a nap or to fall asleep. If you have a headache, it's wonderful. It is wonderful. It heats up. It doesn't get horribly hot, so don't worry, it's not gonna burn you or anything, but it produces steam against your eyeballs. Of course, your eyes are closed, but it helps you relax and fall asleep. Great if you can't fall asleep, great if you have a headache. So y'all let me know if you like that. And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go see everybody. You have to comment on all 4 videos. You have to subscribe to all 4 ladies. Tea Time Adventures, Erlene S, and Life with Christine, and me. And comment on all our videos, be publicly subscribed. The giveaway rules are in the description, and I will end this on next weekend so that I can tell you who my winner is in next week's Mask Monday. I think that's everything. Again, read my giveaway instructions, y'all, because I didn't get to say them all here. Love y'all. Take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.